Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, грамматика, часть вторая, страницы с 36 по 41. English, Starlight 2, Grammarland, homework, part number 2, page number 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you, I am glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 36, 36. A sweet tooth. Exercise number 1. Ask your friends and complete. Поговорите с друзьями. What's your favorite fruit? Bananas. I love bananas. The answer. What's your favorite fruit? Apples. I love apples. What's your favorite fruit? Pears. I love pears. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Look at the pictures and write the words. What's the secret word? Посмотрите на картинки и запишите слова в тетрадь. Какое секретное слово? The answer. Tomatoes, pears, oranges, potatoes, peas. The secret word is carrots. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 37, 37. Exercise number 3. Read and complete the texts. Прочтите и заполните тексты в своей тетради. The answer. Jim, 7. I love vegetables. I really do. They're so good for me. I like potatoes and carrots. My favorite vegetable is peas. Yummy. Kelly, 8. I love fruits. I really do. They're so good for me. I like bananas and pears. My favorite fruit is oranges. Yummy. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Draw your favorite fruit and vegetable. Present it to the class. Нарисуйте любимые фрукты и овощи. Представьте это классу. My favorite fruit and vegetable. Bananas, carrots. The answer. My favorite fruit and vegetable. I love apples. I really do. They're so good for me. I love tomatoes. I really do. They're so good for me. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 38, 38. Grammarland. I like cake. Do you like cake? Boys and girls, do exercise number 1. Write the third person singular. Напишите в третьем лице единственном числе. The answer. I like, he likes. I listen, he listens. I sing, he sings. I draw, he draws. I read, he reads. I make, he makes. I play, he plays. I dance, he dances. I ride, he rides. I swim, he swims. I run, he runs. I jump, he jumps. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete the sentences. Прочтите и завершите предложение. The answer. He does not play football. He doesn't play football. I do not like popcorn. I don't like popcorn. She does not ride a bike. She doesn't ride a bike. I do not play the piano. I don't play the piano. They do not listen to me. They don't listen to me. We do not like peas. We don't like peas. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 39. 39. Exercise number 3. Put the verbs in the right column. Say the verbs to your friend. Скопируйте таблицу в свою тетрадь, дополните ее глаголами. Скажите глаголы своему другу. The answer. S. Makes, likes, eats, writes, jumps. Z. Plays, sings, reads. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Посмотри на картинки и заверши предложение. The answer. I like sweets. We don't like bananas. She doesn't like apples. I don't like peas. They like sandwiches. We like chocolate. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 40. Exercise number 5. Look and complete the sentences. What about yourself? Tell your friend. Посмотрите и дополните предложение. Что насчет тебя? Расскажи своему другу. The answer. Sam likes football. He doesn't like chocolate. He likes fruit. Tina doesn't like football. She likes chocolate. She doesn't like vegetables. Alice likes football. She doesn't like vegetables. She doesn't like fruit. Scott doesn't like football. He doesn't like chocolate. He likes vegetables. I like football. I don't like chocolate. I don't like vegetables. I like fruit. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 6. Read and complete the questions and the answers. Прочтите и завершите вопросы и ответы. The answer. Do you like jam? Yes, I do. Do you like carrots? No, I don't. Does your friend like lollipops? Yes, he does. Do your friends like apple juice? Yes, they do. Does Kelly like oranges? No, she doesn't. Does your daddy like tomatoes? Yes, he does. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 7. Read about Betty and complete the text. Прочтите о Бетти и дополните текст. The answer. Read about Betty and complete the text. Betty is 8. She likes football. Every Sunday, she plays football with her friends in the park. Her mom makes her big breakfast on Sunday morning. Kelly eats it and meets her friends. Betty loves Sundays. They are so much fun. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 41. Exercise number 8. Read about sweet monsters and match the sentences to the pictures. Прочтите о монстре сладостей и сопоставьте предложения с картинками. Sweet monsters live in the magic forest. They eat chocolate, cake, and sweets. They don't like vegetables. They love children. They don't like dentists. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 9. Read about sweet monsters again and answer the questions. Прочтите еще раз о монстре сладостей и ответьте на вопросы. Do sweet monsters live in the magic forest? Do they eat chocolate? Do they like vegetables? Do they love children? Do they like dentists? The answer: yes, they do. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Yes, they do. No, they don't. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look